Alright, so adventure continues to food because it's lunchtime. You're struggling already, baby? We just got here and you're already struggling with life. Still continuing past the Smurf villages. Oh, good idea. Rinse off. Oh, here we go. Looks like it's gonna be a walk to go get lunch.
And now I got sand back up.
Exactly. So I don't know why you guys bothered to do that. Now the real question is, what happens when it rains? Yeah, this is where the dock is. We're back at where the dock, where the boat dropped us off, the speedboats. See? The dock. Keep walking if you guys want to eat. Oh, look, there's even an evacuation plan. Assembly area. You must start here and you go all the way to the football field. Okay. Walking. Oh, look. Walk right by this little map here. Let's see what else is here. Oh. Signs of what to do and what not to do. There's a building over there. All right. Somebody's hangry. Look. Sunset fishing upon request. Tomorrow, the experience upon request. All these things are, a lot of things are upon requests.
So, Daddy, what did they say? What?
What do you mean, what did they say?
Sandbank picnic.
I didn't ask.
Upon request. Look at that. That's nice.
Many of these activities that you see here have a minimum number of people in order to have the activity take place. Also, being in July, the weather is another big factor to many of these activities. And in the meantime, we did find the buffet. It's in a very central location right in front of the docks. You can't miss it. And masks are required. But if you forgot to bring your mask, they will provide free face masks here. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see their food selection, we will have that in an upcoming video. So please like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching.